We work really hard. कभी कभी हम खाना खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं होता. People judge you that अरे ये तो सेम चीज़ कर रही है, अरे ये तो why you not doing something different on a particular actor. कभी कभी हमको बोलना पड़ता है that Shadu what are you wearing. जब ये शूट पे आती है झल्ली जैसे आ जाती है. So as a freelance makeup artist, I don't have a routine, and that's what all of us struggle with, whoever work behind the scene. हमारा routine एक जैसे नहीं होता. So sometimes when I have the time, I go for swimming in the morning and then breakfast and then shoot. When we are shooting, usually I don't really work out. Then I have to directly, like if it's an early morning call time, like a 5 or 6 a.m., then we don't get that time. Then we just wake up and shoot, which happens more or less when we are doing a film shoot. When we are doing events and ads and stuff, you get a little more time. But when it's promotion or film shoot, it's a little more hectic. My mom had a salon many years back, and I wanted to help her while I was in college. तो मैंने एक ब्यूटी कोर्स किया था जिसमें मेकअप वाज अ वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इट. मैंने फेशियल, मैनिक्योर, पेडिक्योर सब कुछ सीख लिया था बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू हेल्प हर इन द सैलॉन. और जैसे मैं उनको हेल्प करी थी, आई यूज्ड टू टेक लिटिल असाइनमेंट्स फॉर ब्राइडल मेकअप और एंगेजमेंट मेकअप. तो उसमें देन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग दोज ऑर्डर्स मुझे बहुत खुशी मिल रही थी. आई एन्जॉयड इट अ लॉट. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई टोल्ड माई पेरेंट्स दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड आई वांट टू परस्यू इट मोर. I come from a very humble background. I come from a middle class family, very educated. Both my parents, both my mom and dad's side, everybody has an educational background. So I have nobody from the industry. I didn't really have a godfather. So when I told my parents that I want to become a makeup artist, they are like, no, you have to first finish your education because we don't have anyone in the industry to help us. So then I graduated along with doing a course. And then I met this very great makeup artist called Corey Walia. I don't know if you're aware, but तभी ये 15 साल पहले की बात है कि तभी इंडस्ट्री में लड़कियों को मेकअप नहीं किया अलाउ करते थे because there was a union rule and all of that. So he was the only one who was encouraging and having girls in his team. So I joined his team, assisted him for a few months. And then I did a film with Asin, and he was the one who introduced me to Shraddha Kapoor. So that's how I came, and then in between that I also went to London to do my course. So my basic education for makeup comes from London, and my practical education comes from Corey sir. And after coming back from London, after doing the course, I came back and I joined him again, and then eventually I started working with Shraddha. My parents had been always supportive. तो जब भी my dad was just worried about because industry के बारे में बहुत अच्छा नहीं बोला जाता, and especially when you're not from the industry. So when I met Corey sir, he was like, okay, you're with the right people. So he really encouraged me. I went to London, did a course. He said अगर तू education में कुछ करती तो मैं तुझे MBA करने के लिए भेजता, but अगर तुझे makeup में करना है तो you rather be the best in what you do. So that's the reason, and I'm very grateful to my parents to have supported me at that time, because I had few relatives who were like, okay, so college के बाद क्या करोगे? So I'm like, I want to be a makeup artist, and they're like, हाँ, they used to laugh on my face, and they're like, हाँ ठीक है वो तो hobby है, but profession wise क्या करोगे? So if my parents didn't support me, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing today. So I'm very grateful. And about being in the industry now and how my experience was, I feel I'm very lucky. I'm surrounded with great people. The actors that I work with, they are not only beautiful on the outside but also inside. So I've had a great experience. So ये मैंने पहले भी बताया है. We were shooting, we were doing a look test for a film called Heather. And Vishal sir and Shraddha met, and Vishal sir said कि नहीं मुझे makeup नहीं चाहिए because she's a simple Kashmiri girl, and I want you to come without makeup. We don't need only a makeup artist on set. So Shraddha tried to explain him that even if there is no makeup, there is something called a no makeup look, which he didn't really understand that time. So we said तभी costume trials होने वाले थे. So we went to his office. Shraddha said, you come, let's do a look test, and then we'll figure if he likes it or not. So then we got Shraddha ready. She had a hijab. She was in full costume. We did a no makeup look. And then after some time Vishal sir came and she went to meet him and he's like, देखा मैंने बोला था ना makeup नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे ही चाहिए. And all of us laughed and we said, sir ये makeup है. So he's like, अच्छा ये makeup है. So we said yeah. So he said अच्छा ठीक है. So that I thought was a big achievement from coming from him, that okay, he understood that even a no makeup look needs makeup. And I feel that's extremely difficult to do, who can do a no makeup look, because less is more, and you know where to add the correct things is very important. So I felt very proud when that happened. Luckily, I've been very fortunate that there have been a lot of looks that are appreciated. One look that I remember got a lot of love was Shraddha's street dancer look. We did that liner, I don't know, a cat liner, which later people called it the Inayat look, Inayat liner look. So that I really enjoyed doing. And now that's 3-2 is released. We did a little different look for Shraddha in the song Khet Mein. So that was, we did a little bit of face tattoos here and there because we wanted to give her another look. That was really appreciated. And 3-2, the way she's looking, I'm getting a lot of love for her look. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. Shraddha is now, we have worked with each other for like 13-14 years, ever since her first film promotions, and I've done most of her films. So she is family to me now. We have gone beyond colleagues and friends to best friends. She's family to me. I mean, we are extremely close, and I'm so fortunate to be working with her for so long. It's incredible. Like, we have spent more time with each other than we have with our families, and now we call us Magic Girls. It's Nikita Menon, Namrata Deepak, Shraddha, me and Mehak Nair. So we call us a Magic Girl gang, and I feel that whenever we are together, we really create magic. And Shraddha has been extremely kind, and she's so pretty, so I don't have to do much. My job is very easy with her. Plus, she's so loved. So, you know, that love, the love that she gets also comes on us, to us. So, very, very happy about that. And couldn't have asked for more, actually. श्रद्धा के साथ बहुत मेमोरीज है, बट वन मेमोरी दैट आई रियली क्लियरली रिमेंबर इज़ वी वर शूटिंग फॉर दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड गोरी तेरे प्यार में. शी हैड अ वेरी स्मॉल रोल इन दैट एंड वी वर इन बैंगलोर. और उसकी जब भी शूट चल रही थी, बाय द एंड ऑफ द शूट द नेक्स्ट डे आशिकी रिलीज़ होने वाली थी. आशिकी 2, राइट? हाँ. सो द नेक्स्ट डे आशिकी 2 रिलीज़ होने वाली थी, and we were at Bangalore airport, and we were just sitting, and that time nobody knew Shraddha so much, and she was just 1 or 2 films old, and we were sitting in the normal airport section, and next day Ashiki 2 release hone wali thi, and I told her, Shadi, next time when you come at the airport, you won't be able to sit ideal like this. You will need security and bodyguards with you. ये ऐसे अकेले घूमना, इधर उधर जाना नहीं होने वाला. And she laughed it off. And the next day, Ashiki 2 released, and in the evening, she had to go to Delhi for some wedding or something, I don't exactly remember. And she called me from there that, you know, what you told me did happen. When she landed in Delhi, it was so crowded, people wanted to take pictures with her, everybody recognized her. And so proud of her, where she's reached, the way she is, जैसे वो हमारे साथ है, she's like that only, simple girl. And I think that's what people love about her. She is the real girl next door. Like, कभी कभी हमको बोलना पड़ता है, Shadu, what are you wearing? जब ये shoot पे आती है, झल्ली जैसे आ जाती है. And we were like, what, have you rolled out of your bed? And she's like, अभी रोज रोज कौन तैयार होगा? You know, this is how I am. And she's not pretentious. So I think that's what people love about her, and that's what we love about her. It's my first big project with Ananya, and I'm so glad that she gave that to me. So thank you, Ananya, for giving me Bay. I had so much fun because there's this girl who is full fashionista. We've done amazing looks. Anita ma'am has styled her, Nidhi has done her hair, and they have given her such amazing looks. And we don't really get to do this often क्योंकि usually एक no makeup look होता है, girl next door का look होता है, तो ज़्यादा changes नहीं होते. But in this project, we made sure that her every look, her hair is different, her makeup is different. She is a fashionista in the series, so we made sure there was a lot of emphasis on fashion and hair and makeup. So I was in a fairyland. मैं बहुत खुश थी as a makeup artist that we could do different things. And Ananya is again so pretty. she can pull off any look, like hair bolo, makeup bolo, fashion bolo, she can pull off any look so gracefully and so beautifully. So that was great. Plus working with Ananya was amazing because she's such a hardworking actor. Like every day when she came, sat on the makeup chair, she's always on time. That girl, I have never seen her not on time. She will do her rehearsal, she'll learn her lines, she'll do her acting exercises while we are getting her ready, and she has really worked hard. And I think people are going to love her as Bae because I have loved seeing her perform. Before we started shooting, we had a look test, we had this brainstorming session where how do we want her to look. We had look books कि ये costume में ये hair और ये makeup जाएगा. We made sure that we didn't repeat the look. So a lot of importance and a lot of discussion has gone under to discuss her character. So I had a lot of fun. Challenging में एक मुझे याद है हम ABCD 2 पे शूट कर रहे थे, ABCD 2 के लिए शूट कर रहे थे, and there was a song बेजुबा अब तक, and we had given Shraddha a black smoky eye look, and we were shooting it through 2 days. So first day हो गया and it went really well. The next day when we came on shoot, we had to obviously do the same makeup again. But तभी मुझे पता चला that next day उन पे there is going to be rain on set. So they are going to be completely drenched, and I was not prepared for that because I had not used products that were waterproof. So I was very, very stressed. But then eventually I tried to convert that into a waterproof look, and when it was raining on set, the makeup was intact. But yeah, my heart was in my mouth during the shoot. So Call Me Bae, you know, it was a little difficult also because हम लोग, जैसे मैंने बोला, हर look के पीछे एक अलग hair और अलग makeup था, and we were not really shooting the same makeup or hair or clothes the whole day. She used to go in and out 7-8 scenes a day. तो हमें उतने changes करने पड़ते थे, and it was very hectic. Like sometimes we used to get like 10 minutes to get her ready into the next change. So we were on top of our toes, but it was fun. So I have a book where I have written down all her looks because we went in and out of looks, so I had to make sure that the hair and makeup is the same. क्योंकि आज हमने एक red outfit shoot कर दिया तो कल या 10 दिन के बाद वही red outfit वापस shoot करेंगे. Whatever the actors right now are doing, they are concentrating a lot of very natural, minimalistic, dewy, glowy skin. I think a lot of actors love that, and I am fortunate because I don't believe in putting too much foundation or too much makeup on an actor's face, because I believe in highlighting the features and not overdoing it, because you don't want to make that person look completely different from who she is. So I think a lot of actors are kind of liking that and putting that on in the films or even day. Like nowadays, पहले you couldn't sight a lot of actors without makeup, but आजकल वो airport पे भी जाते हैं. Not all actors get ready with hair and makeup, so it's great. I mean, it's not only us, everybody, all of us have mood swings, not only actors, and I feel that they are after all humans, they go through so much, it's not as glamorous as it looks. They have to deal with so many people, they have to be in front of camera, whatever happens in their personal life, they can't show it, they have to be in the character. So I think mood swings, I don't think like I think of it so much or I deal with it so much. Everyone that I work is very kind and very considerate. So I usually have a very happy atmosphere to work in. If you ask me this question 10 years back, 15 years back, I would say that we don't get enough credit. But luckily, because of the online trend and Instagram and YouTube and everything, I think we do get the credit. And even the actors give us the due credit. If you see tags, the hair makeup, stylist would be tagged. And more or less because of that, now people know us. So I think things are changing and we are getting recognition more or less. Oh, I have had the pleasure to work with a lot of actors and all of them are so beautiful. I had I had the pleasure to work with a lot of actors. I've worked with Kriti a lot, Yami, I've done Alia's makeup for Aifa, I've gotten Deepika ready for some events, Parineeti, Athia. I mean, there are so many names that I'm forgetting right now, but I've had the pleasure to work with all of these amazing people. I don't think, when I look back, मुझे टीचर बनना था या मुझे होटल मैनेजमेंट करना था. बट नाउ व्हेन आई लुक एट इट, आई थिंक दैट आई डोंट नो इफ आई कुड हैव डन एनीथिंग बेटर देन व्हाट आई डू राइट नाउ, बिकॉज द creative satisfaction that I get after doing makeup, like it's like for us every day is a new day. For us every look is a new look. We meet so many new people. Even on a film set, we're meeting such talented bunch of people. It's amazing. So I don't know if I could do anything better, but yes, teaching is something that I want to explore, and in future I want to open an institute, hopefully soon. So that's something that I'm looking forward to. Every 3-4 years I go abroad. I do a course, London, US, LA, wherever, and I'm due to go now also. So every few years I go, I update my skills. Or now online there are so many great amazing international makeup artists, even makeup artists in India. They're so good. So you keep seeing their videos, you keep learning, or you do an online course with somebody. So it's very, very important to keep yourself updated. A lot of times the actors tell us, okay, let's do this look or let's do that look. But I feel that I'm quite open to that, because I feel actors know their face so well and they've been doing this since so many years. So I always take feedback from the actors, how they like their face to be. Before I work with some celebrity for the first time, I'll go to their images online. I'll see what they like the most, how they are looking in a certain look, and then I do my study accordingly. Of course I put my opinion ahead, but it's like a jamming, it's like a discussion. I give feedback, they accept it. Sometimes I listen to them, sometimes they listen to me. So it's amazing. ये हम शूटिंग के टाइम बहुत करते हैं. सो व्हेन देयर आर लॉन्ग एंगल्स, आई हैव असिस्टेंट ऑन सेट. माय राइट हैंड, आई शुड से, विजय शिंदे. ही इज़ एक्सट्रीमली गुड and he's with me. He's been with me for 4 years now, I think, and I feel helpless without him being around. And he is like my army on set. So he takes care of my actor on set, doing touch-ups and everything. So usually for long shots we don't do too much touch-up, because timing bhi thoda problem hota hai. We are shooting so much, there are so many actors. But for close-ups, then I do touch-ups. In case it's a hectic look, then you take a little more time to do touch up. If it's a basic look, then a little bit of touch up with powdering and lip touch up hota hai. So it depends on the look that we have created. Or sometimes on film set we feel upset that we don't get enough time, and then when you see it on the big screen, कभी कभी ये होता है कि टचअप करने नहीं देते और बोलते नहीं वो पोस्ट में मैनेज हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी, वो मैं निकाल दूंगा, एक पिंपल है. Directors or DOP say it, but unfortunately ये होता नहीं है. Of course they also have so many things to take care of. और then when I see it on the big screen, I feel like, oh shit, वो तभी करना चाहिए था, नहीं सुनना चाहिए था, वो पिंपल कवर करना चाहिए था. Because on the big screen it's overwhelming to see your work, and you know people judge your work and they don't know कि उसके पीछे क्या story थी, तभी sun down हो रहा था और उनको time नहीं मिला touch up करने or something like that. So a lot goes into filming and doing makeup or any other work per se on films. As glamorous as it sounds, it's very hectic. मैं जब भी पहले नई थी इंडस्ट्री में और मैं मेरे सीनियर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को देखती थी कि वो फ्लाइट पकड़ रहे, फिर एक मेकअप कर रहे, फिर आ रहे, लैंड हो रहे, दूसरे शूट के लिए जा रहे, फिर एक और एक्टर के साथ काम कर रहे, मुझे बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगता था. बट बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस जब भी मैं वो करने लग गई, उसके बाद आई वाज लाइक नो, आई थिंक आई वांटेड टू बी अ लिटिल स्लो एंड आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी एज हेक्टिक, बिकॉज देन योर हेल्थ गोज फॉर अ टॉस, यू डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर योर फैमिली. सो वो सब भी सफ़र होता है. सो इट हैज़ both ways. So not as glamorous as it looks, but with these actors now that I'm working, they are so chill and they are like friends, you know. ऐसा नहीं है कि we eat together, we chit chat together, we travel together, so it's a lot of fun also. Fortunately नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ ऐसे. Yeah, at least I don't know if people didn't like a look or whatever, but sometimes ऐसे होता है, you know, people judge you that अरे ये तो same चीज़ कर रही है, अरे ये तो, you know, why you're not doing something different on a particular actor or something. But they don't understand that it's a teamwork. They also don't understand that we want to do what looks best on the actor. And we look at it as a whole look, not only as makeup or hair or styling. It has to go with the whole look, with the actor. So it's kind of a teamwork always, whether however it is, it's a teamwork. So not every time we get the authority to decide a look, you know. So that's something that we sometimes feel bad about, but that's okay. Most of the time our work is appreciated, so that's what matters. One myth जो होता है, नो मेकअप लुक इज़ वेरी इजी टू डू, कि अरे ये तो दिख भी नहीं रहा है मेकअप, ये तो नो मेकअप लुक है, या ये तो मेकअप करके ही नहीं आई है. बट ऐसे नहीं होता, वो मेकअप करती है और हमको लाइक वी टेक टाइम टू गेट दैट एक्टर रेडी. सो आई फील दैट पीपल थिंक दैट द नो मेकअप लुक इज़ वेरी ईजी टू डू, बट आई फील द ऑपोजिट. आई फील to balance the features, to make it look like there is no makeup and to make it look like skin is not easy, and not everyone can do it. So I think that is something that people think that it's easy. Makeup artists work really hard, even if they are you know, traveling, working with A-list actors. All of us, we makeup artists, hairstylists, stylists, all of us, we work really hard. कभी कभी हम खाना खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं होता. हम 3-4 बजे खाना खाते हैं दोपहर को, फॉर अ शिफ्ट ऑफ 7 to 7, 9 to 9 की शिफ्ट है. हम उठे हैं 9 बजे, 4 बजे, सुबह 6 बजे. हमने खाया है नाश्ता 8 बजे, बट द लंच ब्रेक विल हैपन एट 4 in the afternoon and we have not eaten. Sometimes the actors have not eaten. We don't get enough sleep when we are traveling. We sleep for like 3-4 hours and then we wake up, we have to get the actors ready. So there's a lot of hard work that you put in. For example, if a 7 to 7 shift है, जैसे हम स्पेन गए थे, we go international, right? So on Instagram it looks very glamorous that, oh, these people are shooting in such amazing locations. But if it's a 7 to 7 shift, we have to leave. Sometimes the travel is 1-2 hours, so we have to leave probably by 1 hour before for travel, and then we have to go and set up and then get her ready. So for a 7 to 7 shift, we wake up at 4 o'clock, we leave at 4:30, and you know, we are working through the day until 7. We reach the hotel at 9. So you don't get enough time to sleep or to do anything. There is no family life when we are shooting for films especially. So yeah, a lot of hard work goes in. I feel that this industry is very welcoming. जो कुछ भी आपने सुना होगा negative, in case आपने सुना होगा, I have, of course, there are all kinds of people in every field. But I've been very fortunate to meet a lot of lovely people around. So this industry is very welcoming. It doesn't matter if you आपको हिंदी आती है, इंग्लिश आती है, आप किस बैकग्राउंड से हो, अगर आप टैलेंटेड हो, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, आपको अप्रिशिएट किया जाएगा. किसी की जर्नी होती है, किसी को 1 साल लग जाता है, किसी को 2 साल लगते हैं. दैट इज़ योर जर्नी, बट नेवर गिव अप ऑन योर ड्रीम. And this industry has place for everyone. So if you are passionate and if you work hard, I think you can achieve everything you want. A good skin prep is very important, because if you don't prep the skin well, then the makeup doesn't last. A good fixing spray is very important. The products that you use have to be compatible with the actor's skin. So that's very important कि हर एक पे सब products नहीं use कर सकते. कोई किसी की skin oily होती है, किसी की skin dry होती है, तो you have to choose the products accordingly. So you have to. That's why I feel that as a makeup artist, it's very important to have an educational background in makeup. आप भले यूट्यूब से सीख जाओ, ऑनलाइन सीख जाओ, बट व्हेन यू नो द बेसिक्स is when you can overcome these situations. Because on a film set, कभी जैसे श्रद्धा के साथ हम हैदर के लिए शूट कर रहे थे, when we shot in Bombay it was fine, but when we shot in Kashmir in some -14 degrees, her skin reacted completely different. So I had to change my products according to this to the weather. So I feel a good educational background in makeup, a good foundation is very important. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my story at Bollywood Now.